Raising Jazz is started. We have some like it hot break quickly at the start. Play the music. Sangang daan is down on the inside. Moving up on the outside is just in time. Oh, minstrel security rose comes next. Tibay ng loob. While Quakers intensity is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have just in time by about 3 lengths. Moving up na route. Second is Old Minstrel running by the rail. Third comes Some Like It Had Played the Music. Sangandaan Security Rose comes next, then followed over by Quakers Intensity, while Tibay ng Loob now racing in less. And on the fourth turn we have Just in Time maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Old Minstrel in second. Some Like It Had moving upon the outside is Sangandaan Play the Music comes next. Security Rose, Tibay ng Loob, while Quakers Intensity now running at the tail of the field. Then they are now entering the home stretch. We have Jazz in Time by about 3 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is Sangandaan. Some Like It Hot in the middle. Last 100 meters. Jazz in Time. Sangandaan is on the outside. And finally the program opener. Jazz in Time. Sangandaan. Some Like It Hot. Tibay ng Loob. Then comes Minstrel.
Only the third choice, Just in Time, 4A, ang ating